TX5 TX5355a, and you type the serial, type the driver download, and plus why I am uh, looking the driver, the official website, MC for official website, and this here for official website, and click here. Okay, and this here is serial Canon PIXMA TS5355a, and this here for you select your operating system. You click here. This here for the tag automatic your operating system Windows 11, and you select for the make your life, and this here for the make your life. This driver update will be automatic your operating system, and this here for driver, and see for the software or the make your life software, nothing, and this here for the make your life software package and recommended for you, and you look in the release update. This here for the will download and install software, and needs use your product, and on complete you will be able to install the software and product functionality. And this here for the software driver for software for the Wi-Fi, your make your life, and this here for easy to clean editor for the make your life support. I am still looking the operating your operating system support for the support operating system for make your life, and make your life make 11, and this here for the make 8 support the driver, and this here for support language. If you need download, you click here to load for the driver make your life. Here to load, this here for driver make your life download. And I am this video, I need to load driver Windows 11. Select here the system operation for the Windows 11, and this here for Chrome OS support for the driver. And this video I need to load Windows 11, and select here Windows 11. The driver, this here for recommended for the driver Windows 11. You look in the release update, and this here for the driver package for the your all of release update, and this here for the new release update Windows 11. And if you need the for the Wi-Fi driver Windows 11, you click this software. This here for the Windows 11, select your operating system, and the software for the Wi-Fi connect system for the Windows 11. With this software, you can install view or configuration network configuration configure the network setting of the printer. This is connect your network. Okay, this software was provides Canon as Canon E Canon IT network tool, and easy photo print editor software. The firmware this no support firmware for the Windows 11, and this video I need to look for the driver Windows 11. You're looking for the driver, and your select operating system Windows 11, and this here for the driver recommended for you, and recommended for you to look here. You click here download, or your the file your presentation This here for the compatible your operating system. Windows 11 support, or the Windows 8 support, Windows 9.1 support, Windows 7 support. You look in the merge language support for the Canon PIXMA TS5355. Sorry, if you need to load, you click here download. This one, click here download. This one, driver download for the Windows 11. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the port printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, laptop or PC detect USB cable printer, and please select the finish driver download. You click double click for the here driver. This here for the extract the software, extract the driver. You click setup, you click next and finish, next and finish download. This here for the automatic install your cable USB printer. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video, share my channel. If you need a question, comment below. If you need link download below description the video.